Go to it right now. The second thing fucking up with testosterone levels is poor sleep. And I always ask this question, maybe you'll know by now. How many hours of sleep does an average person need? On average, 8 hours, right? That's what we always hear, right? If you want 8 hours of sleep and you need to wake up at 6 a.m., what time do you go to bed? Most people will do the math and think, okay, if I need to wake up at 6, then 8 hours before that would be 10 p.m. So 10 p.m. would be my bedtime. Most people would say that, right? But that's not how it works. Most people don't realize this. Maybe you didn't, but there's such a thing called sleep efficiency, and that is how efficient you are at sleeping at the time that you were in bed, because you see, the time that you spend in bed is not actually the time that you have asleep. Most people on average have around an 80 to 85% sleep efficiency. That's a pretty good level, right? If there's like nothing psychologically wrong with you, about 80%. That means that if you want 8 hours of sleep with 80% efficiency in bed, that means you need to be in bed for 10 hours. So if you want to wake up at 6 a.m. and get 8 hours of sleep and you have an 80% sleep efficiency, you need to go to bed at 8 p.m.